get me in his bed. Always know I do it best.
Babe, are you listening? It's hard to keep this in when it's all coming out. And babe, are you into me? Or is it too late to let this all out? Cause that's not.
Guess what? I'm gonna do whatever the heck I wanna do in life because life is too short. I just wanna have some peace and passion with what I love to do. Knowing that God already has it under control. Like he said, Luke 12:22-24. Jesus says, do not worry about everyday life. He says, because life is more than food and your body is more than clothing. He says, look at the ravens. They do not store food in their barns or store food away, period, for God feeds them. And God sees you more valuable than those birds. So, love yourself first before you think you can love someone else. Anyways, I'll holler at your girl. Y'all gonna be with me while I'm cleaning up, okay? But y'all see the definition. All right.
Yeah, come on, talk. This shit don't make no sense. Meeting after meeting, call after call, climb after climb, fall after fall. That's the process you go through to get it all. Even when I fell short, I stood tall. Ball out, bitch, I smoke weed out the jar now. Got my pinky up, saying hardy hard now. Look at the wave, nigga, in the flow water, make the wave bigger. I ain't no pastor, but I save niggas. These ain't Nike though. I just step round all these rap niggas. Yeah, you could do this when you that nigga. Love how the time flow. Niggas throw shade, I still shine. No, you ain't give your all, what you crying for? This shit ain't supposed to be easy. I just got a text from G-Eazy. Can't move to LA, the V need me. I need them too.
Alright, y'all, so I had to pin my hair back because as you can see, it just kept falling in my place. And while I'm cleaning up, I ain't feel like doing that. That was gonna make me hot, it's gonna irritate me. So I just pushed it back. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead now. Got the laundry on. I'm gonna start cleaning up this kitchen because it needs it. And then after that, I'm probably gonna start on steaming the floors, and then we're gonna go into the front room. All right, so you guys bear with me. About to get this kitchen taken care of real quick.
Yeah, what am I missing? Always taking notes every time I try with a nigga. I just don't want to take on. What am I missing? Seem like game one from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Take me out the club, one hit it. I don't wanna know. Keep playing. Love is a losing game, and I just can't take no more. No more. Love is a losing game, so I just might be yours. Just might be yours. What am I missing? Seem like a game more from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer. Seem like a game more.
You want cereal? Of course you want cereal. Y'all know the funny part about him wanting cereal? He don't want no milk. He just want to eat a cereal. Who do that? Here, stinker. Here. Bye-bye. Bye, Stink. Goofy baby. I'm supposed to have maintenance come here today, y'all. Maintenance supposed to stop by today just to get the fan that was that's in our room because the AC started leaking. AC started leaking and it started to soak the carpet in our closet. Like luckily it was just a corner of it And they was able to stop, of course, the drainage for whatever reason. The AC drainage was clogged. Don't know how that happened. They don't either. But anywho, they're supposed to stop by and get this today. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this stuff out the way so I can then make it into that room, and we can go from there. Medicine and stuff. Got the kitchen done, got the refrigerator and stuff wiped down, got our living room and stuff clean and swept up. I just need to mop the floors. Okay, but so far, your girl is on track. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is start on my room and my bathroom. I got the clothes in the dryer because Nathan's supposed to be coming by here and they're supposed to be going ahead and taking this fan out. But, alright y'all, we almost done. I am tired, okay? I haven't took a break since I started. I got majority of our room done. I just gotta tackle the computer desk, vacuum, and then do our bathroom. And then I'll be done. Baby, when I tell you it's starting to hit, I need to take my sleep off and stuff too, because I need some energy. What's up, Stinker? What you want to talk to the people? What you want to talk to them about? What you want to talk to them about, handsome man? What you want to say, Stink? Say hi. Say hi, bitch. Say hi. You not gonna wave and say hi, you goofy baby. Alright, I'm finna take a quick break. Then we finna go ahead and get started on the rest of the room. You gonna do a hug? Thumbs up? Thumbs up? Yeah, that's right. Now you wanna get down when I turn the camera back on. I don't know what you wanna do, y'all. Alright, let's go ahead and finish getting this room cleaned up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and what am I doing? Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes and then I'm gonna tackle my bathroom last. And that should be it for me today, y'all.